Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make overnight oats. Oh yeah, overnight oats are really easy to make. A lot of varieties and flavors that you can make, and I really like them because you can make them the night before and you just put them in the fridge, and then the next morning you have them ready to go for breakfast. You don't have to do any cooking, you don't have to boil any water, you don't have to put them in the microwave or anything like that. So it's really awesome. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. Down below in the description box you'll find the list of the ingredients and their amounts, but they are pretty easy to remember. First, I have a mason jar here, or you could use a bowl. This is just really nice because you can put a lid on it so it stores really easy. And what we want to do is we want to add our oats. These are old-fashioned oats. So we're going to put in 1/2 cup of these. There we go. Easy peasy. And now I am going to add in some sugar for flavoring. This is totally optional. You can use whatever sweetener that you want. I'm going to add some sugar. This is about a spoonful or about a tablespoon of sugar, something like that. All right, and we're going to add a pinch of salt and about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. These are just for flavorings. They are totally optional. And I'm going to come in here and just give those a good mix. Awesome. And then we want to add in our liquid. I am using 1 cup of whole milk. You can use whatever flavor of milk that you want. You can use almond milk. You can use water. So this is really great if you are dairy free. You can just switch out to almond milk or use water. And if you are gluten intolerant, make sure the oats that you buy are certified gluten free. In general, oats are gluten free, but you want to make sure that they are certified gluten free because some of the oatmeal can be milled where wheat is milled as well. Now, this is where the fruit part comes in. Use a variety of fruit. You can use strawberries, 1/2 cup, blueberries, 1/2 cup, blackberries, 1/2 cup, or you can do 1/2 cup of raisins. You get the idea. This time I'm going to use strawberries, and I just slice these strawberries. I'm going to plop them in there. Or you can do a mixture of blueberries and strawberries. You could add nuts in there, chia seeds. Also, if you want, you want to mix it up a little bit, you can put chocolate milk in there. So mix your chocolate milk first and then use that. And now it is ready to go. You put the lid on and pop this in the fridge overnight, and in the morning it's ready to go. All right, the next morning it'll look something like that. You can come in and stir it a little bit. Look at that. Yeah. And now it's ready to be eaten. You could add some extra fruit if you want on top. And it's already in a nice container to take with you to work or wherever you're going, or you can pour it out in a bowl and just eat it right at home. All right, the overnight oats are done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up. Down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. time for me to dive into this. So yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.